Some ordinary man with a baseball bat stands over them and bashes in their heads. They're babies. Helpless babies. Oh, he's very, very careful as he slits from infant navel up to chin line. At least I imagine that's the method. I've never really watched the way a mother would. Perhaps I should have done. Then I could tell you every detail of the peeling of the skin and of the dumping of the smashed head, little naked bleeding body in an ever-growing pile upon the ice. Then some designer comes along and says, that outfit looks so cute and we could sure create a fashion out of him. So the caps and capes and coats and gloves and stoles and knee-length boots are all promoted in the glossy magazines. And all the crappy little souvenirs that flood across the market, little seal with button eyes and with a corkscrew up its grommet, and no mention of the slaughter on the ice. Perhaps a postcard of a bloody trail of naked little carcasses lying there and rotting isn't nice. Shall we take this callous killer and dispose of him together, you and I? Does no good to smash his head in, although that would please me muchly, but another 10 would come to earn his wage. No, the only way to do it is to shun the sealskin product, leave it lie and rot in warehouse and in factory and boutique. Maybe next year at this time we can face the spring together with a picture free of infant killing, baseball batting, with the knowledge that the bottom's dropped right out of all this misery and kids have got a prospect of a family of their own in the years they have ahead. Shall we do it, you and I?